Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to fulfill order in Shopify. So in this case just you have to click on the orders, and after that you have to click on drafts, and now here click on create order, and just you have to type the product name here, or you can add the manually or automatically products here. So in my case I am adding this product here, and after that here you can see all the price list is available. So just you can change the price here. You can also add the discount options. You can also add the shipping. So you can customize all these details. Like here I am adding free shipping. So here you can also add discount, like I'm tapping this. After that just click here. So now it will be automatically calculated. So you can also add the payment method here. So this is very easy method to fulfill your order in Shopify.